Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of filing a claim with Geico quickly and efficiently. Whether you've been in an accident or need to report other types of incidents, follow these easy steps to get your claim started. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the claim process, make sure you have all necessary information at hand. This includes your policy number, details about the incident, such as date, time, and location, and any police reports or documentation related to the claim. Step 2. Choose your claim file. Method. You can file a claim with Geico in several ways. You can either use their mobile app, visit their website, or call their claims department. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 3. Using the Geico mobile app. If you prefer using the app, open it and log into your account. Navigate to the Claims section and select File a Claim. Follow the prompts to input your information and describe the incident. Step 4. Visiting the Geico website. If you're filing a claim online, go to the Geico website and log into your account. Click on Claims from the main menu, then select File a Claim. Fill out the required information in the online form and submit it. Step 5. Calling Geico Claims Department. For those who prefer speaking to a representative, call Geico's Claims Department at 1-800-841-3000. Be prepared to provide your policy number and details about the incident. The customer service representative will guide you through the rest of the process. Step 6. Follow up on your claim. After submitting your claim, you'll receive a claim number. Keep this for your records. You can track the status of your claim through the mobile app or website, or by reaching out to customer service for updated information. Step 7. Document everything. Throughout the claims process, it's important to keep a record of all communication and documentation. Take notes on conversations, save emails, and keep copies of any paperwork related to your claim. Remember, filing a claim doesn't have to be a complicated process. By following these steps, you can ensure that you handle your claim efficiently and effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guidance.